Rich, yes, a couple of broad themes there touched on by President Xi in this speech that stretched to more than 30 minutes. Let me just zero in on the market access comments that he made. He recapped some of the steps that the Chinese see that they've made in terms of progress in these areas, saying that the negative list for investment, that has been reduced, saying that there have been moves to open up the financial sector, the services sector, agriculture, mining, telecoms and education. That was recapping some of the steps. What is new, I believe, from this speech are his comments around reducing the ownership cap for medical services and education. Pharmaceutical companies, the medical sector here is an area of great growth. There are increasing demands from Chinese consumers as their wealth increases for more sophisticated medical treatments. So that may be a bit positive for some of those pharmaceutical companies outside of China, maybe more pressure for those domestically based. In terms of the foreign domestic investment, or direct investment, I should say, he said he wants to see that tick up at a faster pace. He says he's going to introduce, or the government is going to introduce, foreign-related laws to protect foreign companies here and respect the rights of foreign companies. And he said there's going to be a particular focus on intellectual property rights. Of course, this has been a major bugbear for the US and the Europeans and others. He says they're going to enhance measures and set up a punitive compensation system to make it more difficult, more challenging for those trying to or seeking to copy or steal intellectual property from foreign companies. He also touched on the economy, describing the Chinese economy as being more like an ocean than a pond, and saying it was normal that we were going to face storms and turbulence, but that the economy, that the ocean would remain. Saying that he was broadly optimistic about what he's seeing in terms of the economic data here, saying that China's economy is on track in terms of its growth targets.